नमस्ते, खुश रहो भैया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Common Technical Document. This topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester. So firstly we will discuss about the what is CTD, what is Common Technical Document. The CTD is a set of specification for a dossier for registration of medicine. CTD is an internationally agreed, well-structured common format for the organization of technical requirement that is to submitted to the regulatory authority as an application for the registration of pharmaceuticals of human use in all three ICH regions, USA, Europe, and Japan. So prior the advent of CTD, regulatory reviews received an application from one company and spent a year or more engaged in its review. When the review was complete, reviewers received the next application, most likely in a different format, and had to learn the structure of the new application. 1996 industry proposed CTD, but ICH regulators were hesitant. Disruptive to the reviews process, regulators asked industry to do a feasibility study. The study conducted in May 1996 evaluated the time it took to convert an FDA new drug application into a European Medicine Agency's submission, and the reverse regulators quickly saw the potential value of harmonization submission format. So the CTD is a joint effort of three regulator agencies. First one is European Medicine Agencies, and second one is Food and Drug Administration, and third one is Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. CTD is maintained by ICH through EWG. In July 2003, the CTD became the mandatory format for new drug application in Europe and Japan, and the strongly recommended format of choice for NDAs submitted to the FDA. It has been adopted by several other countries, including Australia, Canada, and Switzerland. Any guideline which is given by ICH passes through different steps. These different steps are called status of the guideline. Functionality, development of consequences, and text release for consultation outside ICH, and ICH guidelines finalized, implementation. So in 2000, the 10th anniversary of ICH, Dr. Caroline Nutley of the Pharmaceutical Research of Manufacturing of America wrote a report, The Value of Benefit of ICH to Industry, which detail ICH creation, procedure, and guideline development in the areas of safety, efficacy, and quality. Her report anticipated that the CTD would revolutionize the submission procedure for industry's regulatory staff. So CTD as of offering potential benefit to industry for greater than any other single ICH topic, and predicted the CTD would afford significant saving in time and resources as complex. Multiple submissions were replaced by a single technical dossier submitted in the three ICH regions, facilitating a simultaneous submission, approval, and launch of new drug. In calling the CTD a topic whose value to industry can be underestimated. So that will full incorporation of CTD and the electronic CTD and the simple CTD, ICH could turn its site of dissemination guidelines information to non-ICH countries. yielding additional benefit to both regulators and industry. 10 years later, in anticipation of ICS 20th anniversary, the value of benefit of ICS to regulators have been realized. Moreover, implementation of the CTD in 2003 promoted the involvement of drug regulatory authorities, not initially part of ICS, thereby extending ICH harmonized approaches. So, ICH helped incorporate the CTD into regulatory process, creating a common regulatory language that promote faster access to life-saving treatment to patients beyond ICH regions. So now we come to the evolution of Common Technical Document and ICH region in India. So next one is this guidance is developed by CDSCO based on ICH harmonized guideline on our organization of common technical document for the registration of pharmaceutical for human use. So this is the complete session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving classes. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.